I knew Discipline Dave was on something. You're right, I am. And you should be also. Now I'm gonna let you know that this video is sponsored, but before they were a sponsor of the channel, I've been using their product for years. I have a direct need for this product in order for me to improve on my workouts. Actually, in order to complete my workouts. And then later, I found out it has a lot of other benefits too. One of the big things that I've struggled with for many years is abdominal cramps during my workout. I literally can't do 6 sit-ups without my abdominals seizing upon me and cramping. This also happened in my hands and sometimes in my face. So because of that, I was not able to complete a lot of my workouts because I like to do my ab exercises at the end of my workouts, and I really could not complete them. I kept battling through the pain for many years. So I decided to do something about it. So what I found out, what is a cause of a lot of abdominal cramps or cramps period, are low electrolytes. When you're low on things like potassium and magnesium. In my research, I saw what causes low electrolytes, and that's excessive sweating. Once I read that, I knew that that was my problem. Because if you see me work out, I sweat a lot. I'm talking buckets. When people see me work out, they say, dang, take it easy. I mean, I sweat a ton. So in my old way of thinking, I always thought like, okay, well, why not just eat a banana and that should help me out with cramps. I think a lot of people kind of think that, but I sweat so much that I actually have to use something else. So one of the things that is said about electrolytes, and I knew about electrolytes for years, but I always thought to myself, it always correlates to sugary sports drinks. There's a ton of sugar, there's a ton of calories, and it's not really worth the value. You just want to drink water. Now during my workouts, I drink a ton of water because people would say it all the time. You just need to drink more water. I drink a whole bunch of water on a daily basis. I'm very big on drinking water. But what I learned in my research is that excessive water can actually reduce you holding minerals into your body. So it can actually dilute them and you won't be able to maintain what you need fully during the workout. So in order for us to get over those cramps, what we have to do is replenish those electrolytes through some type of form of electrolyte powder or substance. So I was saying to myself, I know I need electrolytes, but at the same time, I want to make sure that my calories are low throughout the day and I'm not consuming a lot of sugar. So I went down and started researching some more. And so I learned something that ultra marathon runners take. These are people that sweat a lot, that run 200 miles plus. It was a product called Ultima Replenisher. Ultima Replenisher has 0 grams of sugar, 0 carbs, and 0 calories, but you get all the benefits of the nutrients of the electrolytes. But I was a little skeptical at first. Maybe it'll taste bad, maybe it won't even work. I just needed to make sure I did whatever it took so I wouldn't have those abdominal cramps, so I was gonna do whatever. So I started working out with 2 bottles, one with water and one that was mixed with the electrolyte powder because like I said, I drink a ton of water. So 30 minutes into my workout, I would switch to the Ultima Replenisher and started drinking that. That's when I started to get a lot of heavy sweat in and I need to replenish those electrolytes. So I started drinking that and I did my ab workout, and I had never done that many crunches, that many leg raises. I was doing all these exercises on my abdominals that I couldn't do before. And I can actually feel the contraction and I can feel myself tearing muscle fibers for more growth. I've never been able to do that before, and the Ultima Replenisher changed everything for me. Not only did it stop my cramps, it also gave me a second wind during my workouts. So now when I drink the Ultima Replenisher during my workouts, I feel like I can push harder. I have more energy. I can really push through every set and every rep to maximum effort. I saw a big change in my body just overall and my energy throughout the day. I did not realize how low I was on electrolytes. Now I've been taking Ultima Replenisher for years, and what made them decide to sponsor me is because I posted it on social media for the first time. I put on my Instagram me taking the Ultima Replenisher. They took a look at it. I told them how much I love the product and it changed everything for me. So they decided to sponsor me so I can say this message to other viewers that are out there who are having the same problem as me, or they need some more hydration in their workout, or maybe you're the type of person that doesn't really like drinking a lot of water. You want something with a little flavor, but you don't want to feel guilty about the drink by having all those calories and the sugar. The Ultimate Replenisher is great for that. Now, there's multiple different flavors. There's so many to choose from. I really like the orange one and the cherry pomegranate. They have a lot of different different flavors that you can choose on. I recommend trying out the variety pack. I believe it's around $7.99, and you can go ahead and just buy that. It's very low cost, and see what you think about it. I mean, it literally tastes like Kool-Aid. Now they have two ways of the packaging that it comes in. So they have like these little individual packs, and I like those because they're single serving and they're sealed right there in their little packs, and I can bring it traveling with me. If I'm going hiking or if I'm playing sports, I can just bring that little pack, and then that's just so great for me throughout my whole workout or through my activity that I'm doing. Now, in addition, they have this tub of powder with a scoop that you can use, and they sell those at a higher serving. And so if you're a person like me who needs it daily, I get the 90 count, and I believe they have a 30-day count one, and you just take a little scoop there and you go ahead and you just put it into your bottle of water and just shake it up. So their prices range from $8 all the way up to $4. So the entry level little pack, if you just want to try all the flavors, it's only $7.99. If you want to get the pack, if there's a flavor that you like and you want to have a good supply, it's literally only $20. And if you're like me and you need it every day, they have a 90-day supply. It's a little bit over $40, $43-ish, but I'll make sure I put a link in the description to all this below. Now, electrolytes are completely safe to take. I highly recommend that you take this along with water. You want to make sure you're fully hydrated throughout the day. This is probably why you're not having a lot of energy throughout the day. So don't make the mistake I make and just try to push through all this stuff when your body's saying, I need these nutrients, I need these electrolytes. So if you're like me and you're out there and you want to have a game changer in your fitness, go ahead and try out Ultima Replenisher today. And if you haven't already, go ahead and check out the No Attachment Resistance Band series. This will get you in shape only using a resistance band and nothing else.